All right, we're working today on this Tesla Model X for a good friend Buzz, who recently got this Model X, and we're doing a full XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film application. We're doing some window tint work, and we're doing some ceramic coating. So before we dive into our Project Buzz, as I'd like to call it, our Tesla Model X white that we're working on over there, I want to show you a couple of other projects that we're working on at the same time. We've got Mr. Tint, Sergio, tinting the windows. He's already completed a full front PPF on this vehicle, full hood, fenders, bumper, headlights, fog lights. We're going to be adding ceramic coating on this vehicle in a minute. Follow me over here into our third bay, where we've got a couple of Tesla Model Ys that we're getting ready to go. So this is our detailing bay and our wheel bay and the works, and Mr. Darren's got a lot of polish over here. All right, so this Tesla Model Y, we've just completed a full PPF on this. All the painted surfaces have been covered with paint protection film, and we're getting this one ready for delivery. In a minute, we're gonna be putting the spoiler back on this car. It's a performance model, so it came with the carbon fiber spoiler. And over here, we got the new guy. He's not even in colors yet. Say hello to the camera, guy. All right, so Jordan is just started with us. We're happy to have him on our team. And Jordan comes to us with a lot of paint correction experience, and he's getting this paint corrected on this Tesla Model Y. We're gonna be ceramic coating this. We're gonna be window tinting this car also. You will notice he's kind of color coded it. Actually not. What he's done, he's put that on it to protect the trim. Now, for Project Model X Buzz. Model X Project Buzz, and here is the boss lady doing her thing, going at it on the door of this vehicle. We have seen damage on Model X doors where I can't say exactly what happened, but the doors might have opened onto something. We've seen that quite a bit. In fact, we recently had one that came in that we actually didn't do PPF on the doors, and we ended up having to do some touch-up paint work on the vehicle. The gentleman had bought another car and he wanted us to just get that detailed for him and get it ready for sale. So adding PPF on doors have proven in many instances to have been very valuable to a lot of our clients. To this point, done a little bit of disassembly on this vehicle. We have removed the plastic cladding trim from here. We have removed the camera, and we have removed the door trim. So part of taking off the trim that goes here to get the film to roll into that area so it's not an exposed edge. White cars are a little bit of a challenge to do in terms of PPF. When we do white cars, we want to make sure that dirt doesn't settle on the edges of the film. So as much as it is possible, we try to roll all the edges so that there's no risk of dirt building up along the edges. Also, if you already have a white car that you've had PPF done on, whether by us or anybody else, and you see, it's important that you keep the car clean. You know, it's important that you don't just not care for the car because you think there's already PPF on it. It still requires care, and especially you want to be thorough in cleaning it around these edges. But we do exercise extra care to make sure that all the edges are wrapped, tucked, locked to minimize any risk of debris getting in and around under the film.